Okay, we're under the Mustang. We're going to try to change the starter. The starter is messed up, old, rusty, and it's not working at all. Makes a little sound and then it's gone. Is that right there? This right here. I don't want to get my hands all messed up. This is right here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna remove the two electric cables that it has here. There's a bolt, nut right here, another one right there, and then you're gonna remove three. Let me see, one, and if I remember well, I think it's one in the front and two at the back. I'll check right now and I'll keep making the video so you guys can see it. I'm very like scared this thing's gonna fall on me, so I tried to put it on the ramps. Did not work, but I have them on the jack, which I know is not good. Never leave your car on jacks. That's not gonna work. So you can hear that little click is going down little by little, but I put my jack stands, so hopefully the stands and lower ramp works. So I'll just start removing the first bolt, but it's making crazy sounds going down, so it's kind of scary. So I'll do that and then I'll show you the starter when it's out. Okay.